Hey everybody, it is Monday, January 11th, and today on Sandra Boynton's 2021 Every Day is a Fabulous Holiday calendar. It is Learn Your Name in Morse Code Day. Very specific, but I've got some Morse code pulled up here on my laptop. My name, Strange David Fuller. S ... That's not too bad. T ... So I'm at ... R ... I don't understand what ... dash. There is no pattern to this. Dash, dot. Dash. Dash, dot. Nope. Dash, dot. Was Samuel Morse a sadist? I used to be so smart. Dash, dot. Nope. Dot, dash, dot. I have always loved you, Sandra Boynton. Why are you doing this to us? Dot, dash, dash, diddy, dum diddy. Maybe I should do it with beeps. Beep, 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 beep. Beaker was speaking in Morse code. Beep, 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 beep. I am hereby changing my name. My new name includes numbers. SS2, 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 USO. And it sounds like this. Beep 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 beep. Thank you. Happy Learn Your Name in Morse Code Day.